Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, from the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances.
You'll see 12 different options here. Today, we're focusing on the Department of Plant Protection Agency, covering import permits, release orders, and export certificates. First, let's tap Import Permit. At the top, you can toggle between 4 menus: In Queue, Provisionally Approved, Amendment Request, and Authorized Import Permit. You can use the search bar to find a specific permit. Once you locate the plant protection record you need, simply tap it to open the full details. If you need to explore other agencies, just tap back to return to the main Regulatory Compliances menu. Next, let's look at Release Orders. This section features 2 main menus: In Queue and Provisionally Approved. Just like before, you can search for a record and tap it to view the complete details for the Department of Plant Protection. Now, let's move to Export Certificates. Here, you have 4 distinct categories: In Queue, Amendment Request, Extension Requests, and Review Request. Use the search tool to quickly filter your export certificates. Tapping a record will bring up its full information page. Finally, let's tap the Amendment Request menu. Within the Details view, notice the green highlighted text. This indicates updated information. For a deeper look, tap the History icon. This opens the History section where you can compare the new entries against the old data.